Hey Smart Shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions and, of course, have a laugh or two along the way. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the Lefant M210, and in the right corner, the HONITURE G20. Let's see which one sucks more. In a good way, both of these bad boys are priced at $199. But which one is worth your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about their design and size. The Lefant M210 is like that one friend who can squeeze into any tight spot at a party. It's got an 11-inch diameter and is 2.99 inches tall. Perfect for getting under your couch, which is more than I can say for my gym routine. Reviewers appreciate its compact design, especially for getting under low-clearance furniture. Then we have the HONITURE G20, which stands at 7.6 centimeters in height. It's a bit taller but still slim enough to get under most furniture. So if you're hiding snacks under your couch, beware. This guy will find them. Users love its ability to navigate around the house efficiently, even though it's slightly taller. Next, let's talk about suction power. The Lefant M210 boasts a strong digital motor with brushless suction. It's like having a mini tornado in your living room, but in a good way. It's great for pet hair, which means your cat can finally stop judging you. Reviews highlight its effectiveness in picking up pet hair and larger debris. On the other hand, the HONITURE G20 comes with a Japanese NIDEC motor and 4,000 pascals super suction power. That's right, folks, 4,000 pascals. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a black hole. If it finds a missing sock, it's gone forever. Users are impressed by its powerful suction, especially on carpets and rugs. Now let's talk cleaning modes. The Lefant M210 offers 6 modes, including Auto, Spot, Edge, Zigzag, Scheduled, and Manual. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Just remember, don't use zigzag mode on carpets unless you want it to look like a drunk robot. Reviewers appreciate the variety of modes for different cleaning needs. The HONITURE G20 also has 4 cleaning modes: Zigzag, Fixed Point, Edge, and Random. Plus, it's got an intelligent gyroscope navigation system. So it's like having a tiny, super smart butler that won't judge you for the state of your floors. Users find the smart navigation particularly useful for efficient cleaning patterns. When it comes to battery life, the Lefant M210 offers up to 120 minutes. That's like 2 whole episodes of your favorite show. Reviewers find it adequate for small to medium-sized homes. Meanwhile, the HONITURE G20 steps it up with a whopping 150 minutes. Enough time to binge-watch a whole season and still have your floors cleaned. Users rave about its long-lasting battery, which is ideal for larger spaces. The Lefant M210 also has upgraded Free Move Technology 2.0, which sounds like a dance move but is actually a bunch of anti-collision sensors. Plus, it's got smart app and voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can boss it around from the comfort of your couch. Reviewers love the convenience of voice control and the effectiveness of anti-collision sensors. HONITURE G20 isn't slacking either. It's got a 3-in-1 function, handling vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping. It also supports multiple control methods: mobile app, remote control, and voice control. Just make sure it's on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, or it might give you the silent treatment. Users appreciate the multifunctionality and ease of control, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Overall, users find the Lefant M210 to be a compact and powerful vacuum cleaner that is particularly good for pet owners and small to medium-sized homes. On the other hand, the HONITURE G20 impresses with its superior suction power, long battery life, and multifunctionality, making it a great choice for larger spaces and versatile cleaning needs. So which one should you get? If you've got pets and need a smaller, more agile cleaner, go for the Lefant M210. But if you want more power and longer battery life, the HONITURE G20 is your best bet. Either way, your floors will be cleaner than my comedy routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and keep those floors spotless. See ya!